Hello students, let us see the recently conducted IOQP paper 2 question number 2, right? So this was an interestingly uh, very easy question, but even if the question is very easy, the Olympiad question is not going to be very short, right? So this is quite a write-up. So let's begin reading this. There is a imaginary professor, Professor Saha, who gave the following problem to four students, right? So just look at the detail of the problem. Whether this fact that he gave to four students to five students doesn't matter, but it is there, right? So in this problem, work done by a system on its surrounding is taken as positive, right? This is how it works in physics. A non-ideal gas follows the van der Waals equation. All of you probably know van der Waals equation. You have read it in the chemistry at least, right? So this is given, and all of these terms are very, very general term. You all know that P, V, T, what are these quantities? A, B are constant, and the gas then expands adiabatically from initial temperature T initial to V initial and final temperature T final and final volume V final, right? And there is a special function that describes the equation of a adiabatic process that many of you might get confused that we already know the equation or the function of adiabatic equation, but that will not hold true for this non-ideal gas, right? PV raised to the power gamma equal to constant will only hold true if the gas is ideal gas, right? Since this gas is not an ideal gas, the relation will not hold true, right? But Professor Saha gave the student the correct function, right? And one more constant is introduced in this function, that is alpha, right? So alpha is also a dimensionless number and the value is greater than 1. It is given that if we approach this gas to the gas limit, right? That means if you are treating this gas as an ideal gas, in that case the value of alpha will be equal to gamma, and gamma is nothing but adiabatic constant, right? So the next part of the question is the student replied with the four answers. So four students replied with the four answers. These are the answers, right? And now Professor Saha had a tragic thing happen. So he actually forgot what function he gave to the students, but he had to somehow check and submit their answer sheets whether they did correctly or not. So how did Professor Saha go about it, right? So Saha, professor of physics, clearly a smart man, uh, even without knowing the actual function, even without knowing the actual answer, could somehow, get into some idea that some of the questions might be wrong without even knowing the correct answer, because these answer might be violating some other rules of the physics, right? So that happens, and that is with the science, right? You have to falsify one thing about your theory, about your answer. Just one condition, it does not follow one condition, it is wrong, right? It follows thousand many other condition, it is not absolutely right, but in one condition it fails, right? So now, coming to the question, these are the four answers. The situation we know that the value of constants is given, and one more thing that was given, that for ideal gas condition, for ideal gas condition, that means if we approach this gas, or if we treat this gas to be an ideal gas, right? In that case the value of alpha was actually equal to gamma, and in that case, uh, if ideal gas equation follows, the value of A and the value of B will be equal to 0, and that we can use for the boundary condition. What if this gas was an ideal gas? In that case, the values of this work done should be consistent with the work done for the, or the result of the work done for the ideal gas condition, right? And for the ideal gas condition, we can say, since this process is an adiabatic process, that work done will be equal to negative of change in internal energy, and that is equal to minus n CV delta T, and CV can be written as R by gamma minus 1. So that is minus R by, or number of moles, n R by gamma minus 1, and there is a minus sign and then delta T. Delta is T is what? T final minus T initial, and since there is a minus sign, I'll just write it as T initial minus T final, right? So if we just put the value of alpha as gamma and A and B both as 0, my answer should be this. So let's satisfy which of these answers are satisfying and which are not, right? We are interested in which are not satisfied, right? Even if one satisfied this equation, it does not mean it has to be true. But if it does not satisfy that, then it means that it is incorrect, right? So we are, finding the incorrect ones. Okay, so T initial minus T final, this NR by alpha minus 1. So alpha is actually equal to gamma. So NR by alpha minus 1, this is there in all those four terms. Ti minus Tf, and there is, yes, B option. In the B option, there is T final minus T initial. So of course, this is wrong. This cannot be true. The value of A is 0. So there is a negative sign here. So of course, this answer is wrong. Then is there any other? Okay, D option. In case of D option, there is T initial minus T final, but there is another term here. V final minus V initial. Even if this, the value of B is 0, this term will cancel out, but there is V final minus V initial, and that is not going to be equal to 0, right? And for the actual answer to be only this part has to be 0, but it cannot be 0, right? Because the ratio of these volumes cannot be 0, final volume cannot be 0, right? That means this D option is also correct. So now we have to check only two options, and what can we do more than this? So you probably all know that if you are going to sanity check any physics answer, the first thing you should start doing is check the dimensions, right? So here work is asked. So of course, in the right hand side, you must always be getting the dimensions of the work, right? So this Rydberg constant into temperature is of course has dimension of work, that we all know, right? We only have to check the second part. So in the second part, there is one quantity give V, and there is one quantity in the option A, volume inverse. In this option, volume to the power alpha minus 1, right? So what is the dimension of A? In the ideal gas equation, P plus A into N by V square was given, right? Since these two terms are being added, that means these two will have the same value of dimensions, right? So the dimensions of A will be equal to dimensions of P into V square. N does not have any dimension, so dimension of A will be equal to pressure into volume is square dimension of this quantity, and we know the work done will have dimension of pressure into volume, right? Pressure into volume. Now if we just check the C part here, the C part has A into V raised power alpha minus 1. So A is P V raised power 2 into V raised power alpha minus 1. So this term plus alpha minus 1, and that is of course not equal to P into V. That will only be equal to P into V when alpha is equal to 0, and the question clearly mentions that the value of alpha is always greater than or equal to 1, right? So of course this is incorrect. So C is also incorrect. Is option A satisfying till now? Of course it is. Let me check. Yes, pressure into volume square into 1 by volume. So it will become A into V inverse will become P into V. That will have a dimension of work. So till now we cannot, say that A is incorrect. And I don't know about any other method. Probably some physics of, this van der Waals equation might also falsify this A, but as of now, I cannot understand, or I cannot, come up with any other uh, thing that actually falsifies option number A. So I think Professor Saha will be able to eliminate these three as absolutely incorrect. What he has to consider? Okay. You have to give reasons for whether these options are incorrect. So we have reasons for these three for being incorrect, and the reason for this to be correct is just that these two situations are being satisfied. Okay, so I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please subscribe to the channel, watch out the other content from the channel, and also tell your friends who are preparing for Olympiad, JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, etc. Thank you.